आदरणीय वाइस चेयरमैन श्री हरिवंश जी, नेता सदन श्री तावरचंद गहलोत जी, संसदीय प्रणाली मंत्री श्री मुरलीधरन जी, हमारा पैनल श्री सुखेंद्र शेखर राय जी, श्री सत्यनारायण जतिया जी, सेक्रेटरी जनरल, सेक्रेटरी टू वाइस प्रेसिडेंट, सेक्रेटरी Rajya Sabha, additional secretaries, other senior officers of the Rajya Sabha, or friends from the media, particularly photographers. I am happy that we all have gathered here today on the occasion of the release of the Rajya Sabha calendar 2020, which is dedicated to the memory of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, on the occasion of his celebration of 150th birth anniversary. Gandhiji was a multifaceted personality, a great leader and a visionary, personified certain everlasting ideas and universal values such as truth, non-violence, peace, harmony, tolerance. His philosophy of truth and non-violence stands him apart as a great leader who led India to freedom and inspired many leaders across the world. His simple life, powerful ideas, and thoughtful actions based on truth and non-violence are an eternal inspiration to the nation and humanity at large. They are even more relevant in these troubled times when the world is faced with challenges such as climate change, environmental degradation, disparities, extremism, terrorism, and also lessening of the value system in public life. As a seeker of truth, Gandhiji experimented with the truth and challenged the prevailing stereotypes of his time. A firm believer in non-violence, Gandhiji eschewed violence in all its forms, even in the face of most daunting challenges. His methods of protest were scrupulously non-violent. While protesting against the British rule, he remained civil even to his adversary. He called off non-cooperation movement after Chauri Chaura incident, which has turned violent. Gandhiji placed a greater emphasis on duties. He believed that rights and duties were the two sides of the same coin. He said, and I quote, "The true source of right is duty." The true source of right is duty. If we are all discharge our duties in a rightful manner, rights will not be far to seek, unquote. We have fundamental duties enshrined in our Indian Constitution that inter alia calls for to safeguard public property and to adjure violence, to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals and institutions, to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. The word violence is against the Constitution. This has to be understood by one and all. The main teaching and preaching of Mahatma Gandhi is truth, non-violence, peaceful coexistence, love and affection for one and all, and everybody doing his or her duty. That's why when we discussed within the Secretariat, we thought it's our collective responsibility to recall and take forward the legacy of Mahatma Gandhi for the welfare of the country and the entire world. It's a matter of happiness that the government under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Bhai Modi has launched various ambitious nation building initiatives with a view to fulfill Mahatma's vision. Among such initiatives, Swachh Bharat Mission stands out, which is aimed at ending the age-old practice of open defecation and making sanitation facilities accessible to all. This mission evolved as a people's movement which created a massive public awareness about the importance of health, hygiene, human dignity, and gender equality, which were very close to the heart of Mahatma Gandhi. We have selected some important aspects of Mahatma Gandhi's message and included them in the Rajya Sabha calendar 2020. His message is timeless and not limited to a calendar year, but as a small tribute from our side, from the Rajya Sabha, through our calendar, we wanted to convey to the present generation, younger generation particularly, the life and message and teachings and preachings of Mahatma Gandhi. The calendar captures various themes based on Gandhiji's life and works such as Satyagraha, truth and non-violence, Sarvodaya, upliftment of all, Swarajya, freedom in the real sense, Swachhata, cleanliness and sanitation, Samarastha, harmony and peace, Swadeshi, self-reliance, Grama Rajya, Gramin Vikas, removal of untouchability, following traditions and blending them with modernity, Nayi Talim, education for life, Seva, the spirit of service, and the leadership and public service. How an ideal leader to be. What are the guidelines, standards set by Mahatma Gandhi? All these things need to be understood by one and all and practiced by one and all to the extent possible in the interest of the humanity, in the interest of the country. On behalf of Rajya Sabha and on my own behalf, I wish all my citizens a happy and prosperous new English year, and also the Pongal Sankranti, which is coming in January, and also the festival of annual harvestation of various states in various names. We celebrate it in various names. And then we all look back what has happened in the previous year and plan for the future. That is how we celebrate the new year. Otherwise, everything is continuing. Life is beautiful. And if you add duty with beauty, then it will become mighty. That's why everybody has to assess what has happened in the previous year, what he intends to do in the present year, and while making his intention clear, should follow the messages of Mahatma Gandhi. And it is our duty as the House of Elders to convey such message. That's why we have taken this initiative of calendar, and we should all be guided by Mahatmas and also lead us on the path of peace and progress. Peace is the prerequisite for progress. If you have tension, you cannot pay attention. And violence can never get you the desired result. So we should all not only profess, preach, but practice non-violence in our life. The Secretary to Vice President and Secretary General and other officers of the Lardis and also the General Administration section, they all have taken special interest and then prepared this draft and brought to my notice. After going through it, I was happy. So I would like to compliment all of them for doing their duty. Doing their duty is a great patriotism nowadays. So that's why, drawing inspiration from Mahatma Gandhi's teachings and preachings, let us all dedicate ourselves to the duty enshrined in the Constitution, to the duties that is placed on our shoulders by the responsibility we have taken. मैं सभी देशवासियों को 2020 का और आने वाले संक्रांति, पोंगल, वैशाखी और अन्य भारतीय उत्सवों का, त्योहारों का संदर्भ में, इसका शुरुआत में मैं सबको शुभकामना देना चाहता हूँ। हमारा भविष्य शुभ हो, मंगलमय हो और शांतिपूर्ण हो, और हम सब मिलके शांति के पथ में आगे बढ़े। महात्मा गांधी जी का जो जीवन आदर्श और जीवन मूल्यों को हम अपना निजी जीवन में अमल करने के लिए, आचरण करने के लिए हम सब लोग प्रयास करेंगे। यही आशा है देशवासियों से मेरे द्वारा। मैं राज्यसभा सेक्रेटेरिएट को, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट सेक्रेटेरिएट को और सभी संबंधित लोगों को जिन्होंने सब अपना अपना योगदान दिया इस कैलेंडर लाने के लिए, उन सबको मैं अभिनंदन देना चाहता हूँ और देशवासियों को शुभकामना देना चाहता हूँ।